Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to block someone on Tango. It's very easy, so let's get started. All right, so first step you have to take is to, of course, open your Tango app and log into your account. Next, you have to choose who you want to block. For example, if you want to block someone who you are following, you just have to head to your profile by clicking on the profile icon at the top left corner. Then click on your username at the top area, and then you're going to see your following. Tap on that, and here's the following. So for example, if you want to block this person, just click on the user, and then the next thing you have to do is to look at the top right corner. You'll see these three dots. Click on that, and you get the option to block user. Go ahead and click on block user, then you block this person. All right, so another way is probably when you are watching a live stream and you want to block the person from there. It's very easy. All you have to do is to find a live stream that you want to watch, and then if you're watching a live stream and you want to block the person, if you look at the bottom area, you find the person's username right there. Oh, sorry. Right there, you find the person's username. All right. Let me get this out of the way. Well, you find the person's username right there at the bottom area of your screen. So what you have to do is to click on the person's username, and then you can still find the three dots right here at the top left corner of this window. Right, go ahead and click on that, and you get the block user option. Click on that and confirm that you want to block the user. All right, so that's it. All right, so I hope you now know how to block a user on Tango. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.